Hello everyone, this is our Kashmiri language lesson number 47. We'll talk about the Dumallu recipe. Can you teach me how to make Dumallu? Ze hechnavke me Dumallu banavun. Ze hechnavke me Dumallu banavun. Ze is you. Hechnavke is teach. Me is me. Dumallu is Dumallu, singular. Dumallu would be plural. Banavun means to make. I wanted to make Dumallu for my sister. मैं उस पन्नी बेनी खतर Dumallu बनावुन. मैं उस पन्नी बेनी खतर Dumallu बनावुन. मैं means I. Panin means mine. Beni is sister. Khatra means for. Dumallu is Dumallu. Banavun means make. So os over here is wanted. Wanted to. Sure, I would. I will teach you. A b hechnavat s. A b hechnavat s. A means yes. B is I. Hechnavat means teach. S is you. First of all, wash potatoes well. God ch olav asıl pert chalin. God ch olav asıl pert chalin. God is first. Olu is singular potato. Olav means plural potato. The potatoes means olav. Asal means well. Chalin is wash. To wash is chalun or chalin. Steam the potatoes in the pressure cooker. Patch pressure cookers mans olvan steam din. Patch pressure cookers mans olvan steam din. Patch means after that. Pressure cookers mans means inside, in. Olvan means potatoes. Steam din means we have to do that action. We have to steam the potatoes. Peel the potatoes. Olvan chu del tulun. Olvan chu del tulun. Olav means potatoes. Del means peel. Tulun means to remove. Then make small bores in the potatoes. Patch olvan locket good karin. Patch olvan locket good karin. Pat means then. Olvan is potatoes. Locket is small. Good means bores or holes. Karin means to do. Put some oil in the wok. Grai mans trav til. Grai mans trav til. Grai is wok. Mans means in. Trav means to put. And til is oil. Then you fry the potatoes. Patch olav talin. Patch olav talin. Pat means then. Talin means fry. Put all the spices in the wok and mix with the fried potatoes. Sari masala chitravin kraimans the olvan sert ralavin. Sari masala chatravin graaie mans the ch olvan seit ralavin. Sari masala means all the spices. Travin means to put. Grai is walk. Mans is in. Ralavun means to mix. Can you name the spices? Ze hekke masalan hund nav winit. Ze hekke masalan hund nav winit. Ze means you. Winit means to say, and nav means name. Salt, Kashmiri red chili powder, fennel powder, ginger powder, black cardamom, asafoetida, cinnamon, cumin, and cloves. Noon, kashir wazil marzavangan, badian, short, bud earl, young, dalchin, zur, the wrong. Noon, kashir wazil marzavangan, badian, short, bud earl, young, dalchin, zur, the wrong. Noon means salt. Kashir wazil marzavangan means red chili powder, Kashmiri. Badian is fennel powder. Short is ginger powder. Bud earl are black cardamom. Young means asafoetida. Dalchin is cinnamon. Zur is cumin. Wrong is cloves. How much spices should I add? Kuta masala chutravun. Kuta masala chutravun. Kuta means how much. Travun means to put. For 1 kg potatoes, add 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 3 tablespoons of fennel powder, half tablespoon of ginger powder, 3 black cardamom, 1/6 spoon of asafoetida, salt as per taste, 1/4 spoon of cumin, and 2 cloves. 1 kilo olvan khatra trav 3 chamche kashir wazil marzavangan, 3 chamche badiana, odd chamche short, 3 bud earl, chamchuk shayam his young, noon panim maz hisab, chamchuk tsurim his zur, the z wrong. 1 kilo olvan khatra trav 3 chamche kashir wazil marzavangan, 3 chamche badiana, odd chamche short, 3 bud earl, chamchuk shayum his young, noon panye maz hisab, chamchuk tsurim his zur, the z wrong. 1 kilo means 1 kilogram. 3 chamche means 3 tablespoons. Chamche is spoons. Odd means half. Odd chamche is half spoon. 3 bud earl means 3 black cardamom. Chamchuk shayam his would be 1/6 of the spoon. Noon panye maz hisab means taste. According to your taste, the salt. Noon is salt. Chamchuk tsurim his would be 1/4 of the tablespoon or the spoon. Z is 2. After that, add some water and cook for some time. Tame pat ralav poin te ranuk kehas kalas. Tame pat ralav poin te ranuk kehas kalas. Tempat means after that. Ralav poin means add water. Te means and. Ranuk means to cook. Kehaskalas means for some time. How much water should I add? Bukuta poin ralav. Bukuta poin ralav. B means I. Kuta means how much. Poin is water and ralav is add or to mix. 2 cups. Z cup. Z is 2 and cup is the cup. How long? Kudiskalas. That means cook for how long? Kudiskalas rana. Cook until the water absorbs. Grakch anin the poncho shrapravun. Grakch anin the poncho shrapravun. Grak anin means to boil. Poncho shrapravun means water has to absorb. The malu is ready. The molav bane. The molav bane. Bane means ready. I will try this recipe at home. वो बनाव ये recipe gare. वो बनाव ये recipe gare. Banavun means to make. Gare is home. I think my sister will like it. Mechu basan myani beni gare ye khosh. Mechu basan myani beni gare ye khosh. Mechu basan means I think. Myani beni means my sister. Kari khosh will like it. Khosh means to like. In Kashmiri, to fry means A. Ranun, B. Talun. Ranun, Talun. You have to choose the right answer. To teach means A. Hichnavun, B. Banavun. Hichnavun, Banavun. Peel means A. Til or B. Del. A is Til, B is Del. Walk means A. Bohgun or B. Cry. Bohgun or cry. To add means A. Ralavun, B. Travun. Ralavun or Travun. Small means Varya, Lakut, Z or Wazul. Small in Kashmiri means A. Varya, B. Lakut, C. Z or D. Wazul. The right answers are the ones that I have highlighted. So to fry means talun, talun. To teach means hichnavun, hichnavun. Peel means del, del. Walk means cry, cry. To add means ralavun, ralavun. Small means lakut, lakut. Thank you.